Hi dear teachers, my dear students and my friends. Today I would like to teach you about the active voice and passive voice. How to change active imperative sentence into active imperative sentence into passive imperative sentence. We need to apply some rules regarding active imperative sentence and passive imperative sentence. Before that, what is an imperative sentence is to be known. An imperative sentence expresses a command or request. Here, there are two types of imperative sentences, such as request and command. If you take the structure for command, V1 plus object plus phrase is to be taken. If you take the structure for the request, please plus V1 plus object plus phrase is to be taken. Now let us take the structure which indicates a command or order. V1 plus object plus phrase. Here V1 means the first form of the verb such as present tense, such as first form of the verb is called present tense. Now see, open the door. This is the sentence which is related to command or order, which is in active voice. But before the verb which is in the first form, there is no subject, but the subject is understood. What is the subject here? YOU. Open the door means you open the door. Here you is not mentioned, but it should be understood. Open the door. Verb 1 plus object. Okay, verb 1 plus object plus phrase. This is in active voice. Now how to change it into passive voice according to the structure? Let plus object plus be plus verb 3. Here verb 3 means the third form of the verb. Then how to change active imperative sentence into passive imperative sentence? Let us know. Open the door, let the door be open. Open the door, let the door be open. In such a way, let us take one more example. Pass the salt, let the salt be passed. Okay, in such a way you can use the structures let plus object plus be plus verb 3 in passive voice. Okay, this is the structure 1. If you take structure 2, please plus v1 plus object plus phrase. What is the passive form? You are requested to plus v1 plus object plus phrase. This is the passive form. Now let us see some examples in order to make you understand easily. Please open the door. When the sentence starts with the word please, instead of please we should use you are requested to. You are requested to open the door. That is passive voice. Please move a bit. You are requested to move a bit. Please don't touch the fire. You are requested not to touch the fire. Here don't becomes not to in the passive voice. Okay. Don't go there. This is imperative sentence structure 1. Okay. Then how to say? You are ordered not to go there. Okay. In such a way you can use active imperative sentences and passive imperative sentences. Okay, let us take some more examples. Close the door. This is the active voice. Let the door be closed, passive voice. Please close the door. This is active voice. We are requested to close the door. Give me a pen. This is active voice. You are ordered to give me a pen. This is passive voice. Read well for the exam or prepare well for the exam. This is active voice. Then how to change it into passive voice? You are advised to prepare well for the exam. Generally, Some students don't know how to use you are advised to and you are requested to. Okay, suppose prepare well for the exam. Whether it is command or advice, you may not know. Then simply you can use you are ordered to prepare well for the exam. You can write, no problem. But prepare well for the exam, this is the statement which indicates some advice or suggestion, so that we are advised to prepare well for the exam, or we are ordered to prepare well for the exam also can be written. When we don't know which expression is to be used while starting the statement in passive imperative form. Okay, in such a way we have to practice active imperative sentences and passive imperative sentences very clearly. Okay, and if you take some more examples, SIT sit, this is active voice. Then how to change this sentence into passive voice? Here sit is a word, not sentence, but here sit also become sentence. Here also sit also becomes sentence. Sit, full stop. Then how to change it into imperative sentence? You are ordered to sit. Stand up. You are ordered to stand up. In such a way, you should say these statements in passive imperative form. Okay. Next, please come here. You are requested to come here. If please comes, passive voice should be started with you are requested to. If verb 1 comes at the beginning of the statement, we should use you are ordered to plus V1 while saying passive form. Okay, which is in imperative sense. In such a way, you should practice number of examples in order to have the command over active imperative sentences and passive imperative sentences by applying the rules properly and effectively. In my next session, I shall come with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.